Hi, welcome to this SAP FICO training video. Today is December 10th. This is based on SAP S4 HANA, and this is the General Ledger Information System test. Without further delay, let's get into it. What is the main area for providing accounting and taxation reports? The General Ledger. If reporting requirements are over the top difficult, what main area can meet these requirements? The General Ledger Information System. What are the most important General Ledger reports? Balance reports, financial statements, tax reports, and drill down reporting. How many standard balance reports exist in the information system for the General Ledger? Several. Where are the balance reports for general ledger accounting located? In the application menu. What categories do the general ledger balance reports fall into? General, country specific. What kind of flexibility is available for balance reports? They can be configured with selection characteristics when displaying balances. How many characteristics can be displayed per ledger? 5. How is it decided what characteristics are available for the ledger as selection characteristics? You can specify the characteristics you want to be available. When are the characteristics available as selection for balance reports? When displaying balance. How many characteristics can be specified per ledger? 5. Why do you have to configure the main reporting dimensions you would use? So they are available for report output. Why are financial statements required? They are legally required. What are the two main financial reports produced in SAP General Ledger? Balance sheet, P&L statements. How are the financial reports configured in SAP S4HANA? As a collection of accounts. How are the financial reports organized in SAP S4HANA? In sections and rows. Where are the settings for financial reports maintained in SAP S4HANA? In financial statement versions. What must happen with financial statement versions before they can be used? They must be configured. Do financial statement versions have to be created from nothing? There are financial statement versions available in the system that can be used as templates. Do different countries require the same financial statement version? They normally use a different financial statement version. When you select a financial statement version template and copy it to create a new financial statement version, what three inputs do you have to provide? Name, description, chart of accounts. How do you then see the structure of the financial statement? Select the financial statement items from the top menu. When the structure of the financial statement is displayed, how can you interact with the rows that are displayed? By clicking expanding, by clicking expand or collapse for each row. When you drill down to the lowest rows, what can you do there? Assign accounts. How many accounts can be assigned? A range of accounts. What do the checkboxes for debit/credit tell the system? To include the debit and/or credit balances. What can be assigned to all the lines of the financial statement version? Accounts. What are some of the most important reports provided by the general ledger and why? Tax reports, they have legal requirements. Are there tax reports that can be used in most countries? Yes. Do country specific tax reports exist? Yes. What do most tax reports revolve around? Requirements for sales/use taxes on transactions, which are value added taxes, VAT, in most countries, what are sales/use taxes in the USA? Why do stringent requirements exist for ERP systems reporting on sales use VAT tax? The taxes are a main source of revenue for tax authorities and are difficult to track. Where is the main report for sales tax in the use? Where is the main report for sales tax located in SAP? The main application menu. What is the main sales tax report based on? Jurisdiction codes and tax codes. What do jurisdiction codes determine? The local tax rates for each jurisdiction in the USA. What is a jurisdiction? city, county, state. What is drill down reporting? A flexible reporting technique where users can navigate through a report by clicking characteristics to see additional details. Where did drill down reporting originate? In the controlling module in SAP ERP. What is the usage of drill down reports today? Widely available and useful in the general ledger. How many standard drill down reports are available for the GL? Several. What is the effort required to configure additional reports? Minimal. What is the first step in configuring a drill down report? Define a form that defines the structure of available characteristics and their values. What is the second step in configuring a drill down report? Define reports based on this form, specifying the report layout, selection criteria, and output settings. When defining a form, when defining a form after selecting the change form activity, where do you navigate to? The GL balances form. What is the GL accounts balance form used for? Reporting general ledger account balances. What can be done with the GL accounts balance form from here? Copy it to your own form and change it as needed. What is each line in the form defined with? Its characteristics and values. What happens when you double click a line in the form? It brings you to the characteristic and value definition screen. What do you see on the right of the form definition screen? A list of available characteristics. What do you see on the left of the form definition screen? The posting period. What do the from and to columns contain? Values to be included in the report. How can you enter values in the from and to columns? In the columns directly. What is another way you can enter values in the from and to columns? Using sets and variables by selecting the corresponding checkbox. What is a set? Predefined group of values. What is a variable? parameters to be entered during program executing in the selection screen. What is an example of a variable being selected? If variable 1 point is selected, the posting period will be entered in the selection screen of the drill down reports based on this form. What do all lines and columns of the drill down reports have in common? They are defined in the same fashion so you can create your own reports based on the form. That concludes this test, and thank you all for your time.